My name is Adia Lumana, a business analyst with T-Impact. In this video, I demonstrate how to use Blueworks Live to analyze a business process. In our last video, we created a process blueprint, which looks very similar to this one. Well, now that we have created the process blueprint, let's get started adding details. Double-click an activity to bring up its details panel. And in addition to the details, you have other metrics like problems and policies that you could capture. But for this video, we're only working with the details tab. Now, these are the details that you can capture about your activities. But for this session, we're mainly interested in the value add field and the cycle time field. So now to add the details to this activity, which is called Define Objectives, the participant is the change manager. Blueworks has added that automatically for you based on the swim lane. And let's say that this activity takes the change manager 2 hours to complete, but he has a wait time of 8 hours. Now we can go further to decide if we believe that this activity is a value add activity or not. Now, we call an activity value add if customers are willing to pay for that activity, or if it directly converts an input into an output. We call an activity required if it is done mainly due to policies or legislation. And then an activity that's neither value add nor required is considered waste, and as such, non-value add. Now let us update the other activities. Now let us say to identify stakeholder is value add, and baseline the current process is also value add, and then define the future process is value add. Review deliverables, let's say that's required. And supporting the team, let's say the business analyst is not required here for the sake of this demonstration. Let's say that is not required. Now to see this in analyze mode, just click on the analyze button and then select the category which we want to look at. For this session, we want to look at the value add activities. And there you have it. You can see all the activities that are value add, those that are not value add, and those that are required. And you can also add details to almost all elements in the process. To add details to the overall process, just double click anywhere in the general section of the process map. And to add details to the milestone, double click a milestone, and then you can add the details there as well. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Please take a few minutes to watch the next video in the series, using Blueworks Live process metrics to calculate the cost and benefits for improvements. If you'd like any information about the tools or techniques shared in this video, please contact us on sales@t-impact.com. The contact details are at the end of this video. Thank you.